See the black-plumed horses in the funeral parade, pulling curtain coaches out of Windsor Esplanade as the ship's horns blare over Cardiff Bay, saying, "Here comes Father Perveau." And his tail coats flap, yes, he dances to the beat of his king tap-tapping to the rhythm of the street where the mourner's soul and the minstrel meet in the heart of Father Perveau. And his top hat slanted, there's a swagger in his stride, and it's taken for granted that whenever someone's dying, there'll be bells and flowers, there'll be grief and pride, there'll be hymns and Father Perveau. So the black-plumed horses leave the coaches out again, and they top the coffin as they sail